cleaning on my desk. Look at my desk, it's so dirty. So today, I will clean my desk from a table. So we need to leave this a blind bag. So my decorate on my inside with the school supplies which it's removing. So I removed my inside the school supplies. Now I removing on my table. So I need remove my I'm getting on my salts. Now I will decorate now. Now it's a decorate now. I will decorate my school supplies. I will get the tape on my pencil case here, and then and then I will get this. And I will open this on my marker. Don't fall.
Sino ang bahay? Saan ang bahay? Ha? Ang bahay nag-i-start na sa chat? Dito sila sa biyahe sa yung biyanan. Sila dito nag-i-start kasi di ba patay naman na si Nanay Lucy?
Wala nang gagawin na kayo.
Awala sila, baba natin na kayo istarang dasal to.
Hindi pa niyo upahan. Hindi naman ito bihapon ano.
Ano yung pala na natin ba?
Ino nga ni Ina, ang bahay ni Nanay Lucy. Oo, dira ko nag-start sila Marisol.
Get my scissors,
Sila nag-start. Tapos,
my blind bag.
nag-start mo sila sila lima. Tapos, bigyan mo ilang lugawan ang baba. Pagkatapos, yung nag-upa dito sa likod, ayun siya ng pinto. Ibang tao ang nag-upa. Pinista rin ng Marlene. Hindi.
Get allows. Now my desk is clean now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.